you can go from this to this. And it's really not that hard. Odoo slaps branding on a lot of things, especially communications. So if you want to get rid of that pesky powered by Odoo, listen up. Now I'm going to show you exactly what to do. This isn't something that you have to have previous skills for. So the first thing that we need to do here is we need to find the view that pushes this powered by Odoo. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we're in developer mode, and then we're going to type views, and then we're going to search powered by in our view architecture. That brings up quite a few. The one that seems our most likely candidate is going to be our mail notification layout template here. Now that we've found that, we can create another view which will inherit this view, which means that it can then modify that view so that we can remove certain pieces of it. So what you'll want to do is right click this tab up here, click duplicate, then go to new, and then you'll want to follow what I've done in my view over here. So I've given myself a new name for this view. I made it mail underscore main underscore suppress underscore powered underscore by. A lot of underscores there. This name can be whatever you want. You just want it to be something that you can find it later. Then my inherited view has to be the view that we found here. So I find the easy way to get to that is to just copy this, paste it here, and then select it. Our view inheritance mode should be in extension view, and we want to make sure that this guy is active. Now, you don't need to understand everything that's going on here. If you want to, you can just look at the shared document that I've put in the description below. But let me explain this for you real quick anyway. So what we're telling Odoo to do is look for the 6th div in the view that we're inheriting. So if we search div, and actually I'm going to make sure that this is an opening div. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. So we put 5 here because 0 is going to be the first one. So we're saying we want the 6th one on this level, and we're going to inherit that. And then what we're going to do is replace it with nothing. This effectively hides this div, or this section of our view, so that we no longer see the powered by. And it's really just as simple as that. You can just copy exactly what I've done here and it'll work for you. Now when we send an email out from Odoo, it's not going to have anything that was in this section here, which is that whole powered by. And you can see, yeah, there's no powered by anymore. So there you go. That's how you remove that. I did do another video that kind of shows this a little bit, but that's more for the digest emails. So if you're needing something there, go ahead and check that out. If you need some more help, go ahead and drop a question in the comments below, or you can sign up for some one-on-one time on my Calendly. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.